Hey everyone, what's good? I am at my cousin's house for summer holidays. So my dad has a sister my my dad's sister's son is my cousin, and together we're having a lot of fun. However, today I realized that that we got an amazing view from this specific location here. So, with my cousin and his dad's consent, I decided to record this. Ooh, bro, this is another apartment complex? Dude, Whoa, what type of bridge is that, bro? Dude, I have not seen that type of stuff. I'm in a whole different country from where I live. I'm trying to find out all the new stuff here. What's that blue thing over there? Okay, looking out the window, it looks like something. Whoa, finger, get out of there. Apologies if it looks bored. Here we go. Okay. Dude, does this view not look good to you? Of course it does. Speaking of which, right about here, I think, there's a mall. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but there was a mall around there. So far I know, right? So there's this building, and there's that building, right? So between these two buildings, there's some lights over here. I'm 99% sure this is a mall. And above it, okay, I lost my view. Above it, there is, a hotel, I think. Yeah, it is a hotel. There's a really cool, fancy building up there. Yo, what? What's this? Okay, looks like just some dark wood. Oh, here? This is my grandpa's room that I'm in now. So, like, in one of my previous videos that I don't know if you guys watched, my grandpa said something. Anyways, you guys don't need to know. Does this view not look interesting? 'Cause I'm pretty sure it does. Wait, what is that up there? Ah, it looks like a ghost. I might be being fooled though. It's probably just a reflection, whatever this is. Is this a high-rise buildings up here? And some more of them. Here is just some street that I don't know if you guys are interested in seeing. Wow, bro. Look at all these lights. But this is a less lit area. This is gonna be a lot blue for you. It's gonna be really blue colored. Okay, now this is the high-rise buildings. This view is probably the worst of three views. Best of three views I probably can show. Anyway, man. I mean, this road here, I see a bunch of vehicles, right? I mean, have you ever been to a city that looks like this, guys? Please let me know in the comments. Also, guys, how does all these streets, lights, buildings, don't they look cool? Yeah, well, we're gonna switch to a better view location now. Dude, okay. So now we switch to the better view. I can literally see the way from some place. Okay, now we have the same basic road. We have all this stuff. And we have some nice buildings up here. Wow, man. Okay. I also see the entrance to another apartment. Okay. So here, apologies, there was a talking delay. But here, I decided to open up the window. So now, wow. Of course, there's another window. Anyway, guys, so, does this not look nice? So this should be there, like this, so like there's some apartment complex way here. Like, this is the door to an apartment that you just saw there. And that is another one. Anyway,